Today, you're going to learn how to slow down the speed of a domestic sewing machine. Speed matters in sewing. Less speed means more control. And control is everything, especially if you're still learning. Let's start with a baseline. I'm sewing 3 sections: slow, medium, fast. Notice how, at the start, the machine jumps forward quickly. There's very little difference between slow and fast, and that makes control harder. Now let's fix that. You'll need a long, slim tool, like this table knife. Look at your foot pedal. Find the hinge and gently pry it open. Inside, you'll see a small component. That's the potentiometer. This controls how sensitive your pedal is. Using your screwdriver, turn it counterclockwise. This lowers the sensitivity and slows the speed response. Now try sewing again. You'll notice a smoother start, a gradual decrease in speed, and much better control from the first stitch. Here's a side-by-side comparison. Big difference. This simple adjustment can completely change how your machine feels. Hope this helps. Have fun sewing. Save this, hit like, leave your questions, and follow for more sewing made simple.